The Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty takes you on a tour of this 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,600 square foot home in Gassville, Arkansas. This is a ranch home with a carport and a 2-car detached garage, and it features a fully fenced backyard. It also has a bonus room that could be a large bedroom, a family room, or a private living quarters. Let's take a look. Hi, I'm John Schaub with the Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty. I'm here at 2234 Highway 126 in Gassville, and we're looking at this beautiful 2-bedroom, 1,600 square foot home. It's got a special room. You'll love it. I hope you'll come on in and take a look. Well, I'm really happy to take you on a tour here of this home. This is the living room. It's quite spacious, and there's a beautiful picture window here looking out over that lovely front yard. There's a good sized coat closet, plenty of room in there, and I love this entryway into the kitchen. Makes the kitchen almost part of the living area. Not quite a great room, but very close to it. This is a really spacious kitchen. There's a lot of countertops. The stove, microwave all go with it, and there's an oven here, and counter space, plenty of it, and a little bar here that could be used as a serving bar or whatever you would like. A lot of cabinet space. These are great cabinets and a lot of room inside them. Here's the refrigerator, and this is the dining area, really. I mean, it's a breakfast nook kind of an area, or dining. There's plenty of room for a dining room table here. And it goes right in here to the laundry room and the utility room. And to give you a better idea of the size of the dining area, there's a fan right here where you'd have the table. And then this is a serving bar. I think you could put stools here and make it a breakfast bar too. And then this goes off to the room that I'm going to show you here in a minute. We're not going to go that way right now. One thing I want you to see though is throughout all of this is plenty of room for a wheelchair. This home has been made very welcoming to wheelchair. But for now, let's go on down the hall and we'll take a look at the bedrooms and the bathrooms. Come on. Well, this is the hall bath, and it's got a vanity, and this is a tub shower combo, and of course a commode. It's plenty large and very convenient. So this would be what I'd call the master bedroom. It's the larger of the 2 bedrooms, and you can see how large it is. It looks like baseboard heat here, but actually the home has central heat. The baseboard heat was replaced quite some time ago. Of course, there is a ceiling fan, and 2 windows provide a lot of light and a nice view of the front yard also. And over here is a closet. Large, deep closet. Be plenty of storage in here, no problem with that. Then right here, this would be what we'd consider to be the 2nd bedroom, and it's a little smaller, but come on, we'll take a look at it. Again, plenty of room here, window, ceiling fan, and of course another large closet. Like the other room, there's plenty of room in here. But here's what's happened with this bedroom, as you can see, is that they've put a door into a 2nd bedroom. If you wanted to use this as a private bedroom, you just close off this doorway here. This is a very wide doorway, and it makes it possible for wheelchair access right through here. But come on in the big room. This is quite an amazing room. The owner used it as a bedroom, and this whole room is handicap accessible and perfect for almost as a suite. But you could close this off and make this into a family room or any other kind of room that you had in mind. This is not only big, but it's very light. It's light colored. It's got a ceiling fan. It's got 2 large windows. And then over this area, this is auxiliary heat and cooling. Not needed, but it was put in at first when this was constructed before the central air and heating was put in. So it's a backup for us now. This could easily be a complete living quarters for someone, or like I said, it could be turned into a different kind of room. So there's a wheelchair accessible sink facility, a walk-in shower and commode, all with grab bars. There's a outside door here. So can easily have private entrance here if somebody wanted to live here, or you have a lot of things you could use this room for. And then there's this wide hall that goes on back into the dining area. So wheelchair accessible from the dining room through to here, through into the sitting room. This is a perfect place for someone who needed handicap type facilities. And like I said earlier, you could put doors in these 2 ends of this room and make it totally private. And that brings us back to the dining area and to the utility room. Let's take a quick look there and then we'll go outside. Washer and dryer. And here's the door going outside. And I want to point out too, there's another door here right from the carport. And this gives you the ability to bring in your groceries and everything right from where the car is. And in any kind of weather, it'd be very convenient. Now let's go on outside and take a look at the garage and the backyard. Well, I'm coming out into the fully fenced backyard and on my way over to the shop. This is just a peaceful area, very lovely. Well, this is a large 2-car garage, and it's got a bench already installed and some cabinets, fan. There's already a carport, so this could be a shop, or you could have a single car here to work on, or park 2 cars here, and very convenient to the back of the house. So there's a fully fenced backyard, and beyond that, all the way over to the trees, is another area. Maybe you could use for flowers or a garden or just to get out and exercise. This is a beautiful backyard. Very peaceful and plenty of room to walk around. It's fully fenced. Well, there's a carport here. This is plenty for 1 car, but a 2-car garage or a shop goes with it too, so there's 3 cars parking. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this tour of this 1,600 square foot 2-bedroom home. If you'd like to find out more, you can go to enjoytheozarks.com or search for the Ozarks team on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Vimeo, Google. To find out more about this beautiful home or to schedule a showing, go to enjoytheozarks.com. On Google or Facebook, search for the Ozarks team. The Ozarks team, Century 21 Lemac Realty, 1024 Highway 62B East in Mountain Home, Arkansas.